Today we're going to be working on some tool review of these TEKTON 11-inch diagonal cutters. Let's take these apart. Okay. Always wear your safety glasses. .30-degree offset. So let's give this a shot and see how we can do it, how it works. So if you look deep in there, you can see some of the copper got left. These are the TEKTON 34025. Okay. Let's try nails and staples. Didn't damage at all. So I'm going to say these are pretty good. Well, there you have it, folks. Quick review on these TEKTON diagonal cutters, 30-degree. I'm just going to use them in my tool bag and see how they work. So hopefully you enjoyed this review. Please like, subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at Robert J. Foust and leave comments below. And I'll get back to you with some more reviews and or whatever I do.